Okay, so this is in Squarespace 7.0. There's multiple different ways to feature blog posts. So for this particular client, the actual blog is not like in the header or footer. This is where the client would go to add blog posts, and then you would want to just make sure that in every blog post you put a category. So if we go in and we edit one of these, and then categories, development, for example. So tagged that. And then what I did is I created like a blog page. So this is an index page 7.0 using Brine family. And if you go to the blog page, you'll see that I have these different sections. So one of the sections would be development, like I had just tagged. And then we'll go into it. You would bring in a summary block, and the summary block would have, obviously the page would be blog, and then you would pull in, whoops, so you click blog, and then filter items, category would be development, and it will pull in those development blogs. So that's one way of doing it, of featuring it. Another way is if you want to drop down, you would create a folder. So you would come up to here, create a folder, and then you would be linking the category or of the page. So I'll kind of show you what I mean. So basically, if you go to the blog post, it usually has the category. As long as you've set the category in the blog post, it has the category either up here or at the bottom. So if you just click on that, it'll pop up with a URL, and you would just take that URL, copy it, and then you would go, she didn't have categories, so that was a bad example, but then you would go and under, once you've created a folder, you would click add a page, you would do a link, and you would just link the URL you just created, and that would lead them to that page.